What's up, guys? So today was pretty fun, pretty interesting. Tomorrow morning we're gonna get unemployment claims, and then we're gonna get Fed manufacturing index news coming out tomorrow morning. So tomorrow should be pretty interesting in terms of that. And then we have some Fed members speaking in the morning. So let's see how that affects the market intraday as well. So let's just start off straight with the dollar. So we know that if the dollar is weak, then the stock market is good, right? So basically we can see that the dollar here, the MACD indicator is showing that the upward momentum for the dollar should be bullish, yet the dollar is falling lower. So obviously this is not a good sign for dollar bulls, right? So this is basically pointing that the dollar can continue falling lower according to the strength in the MACD, but it's a failure to show that strength in the price action of the dollar. So obviously this is not a good sign for the price of the dollar. It's leaning bearish for the dollar, right? The other thing is that the 30-year bonds are really starting to show some strength here. And we know that if the bonds are strong, then the stock market is strong. So clearly we can see that it's very strong here. It's now it's getting very overextended to the upside in terms of the Bollinger Band and where it is on the Bollinger Band, right? So this is clearly strong, right? But regardless, what we did was we are short. We're swinging December 7th puts on the SPY for 396 puts. And the reason for that is just very simply, I was basically still expecting a bit of a bounce out of the dollar. The 30-year bonds are very overextended to the upside, and the SPY failed at this 400 level. Big moves to the downside. This could just be a fake out. We could come back and retest 398, 399 tomorrow, and then a continuation to the downside. But overall, I think that's what it's starting to look like. I mean, honestly, I think we could get a bit of a move to the upside to 398, 399. And then from there, by the time everyone that's short over here, would re-short over here and then go down. But only time will tell. Really only time will tell. There were lots of great intraday plays that I'm sure a lot of you guys took. But aside from that, the main level of resistance is going to be this upper trend line here at around 401.50. And yeah, I mean, this is a rising wedge. Rising wedges are generally bearish patterns. So let's see if this plays out to the downside. But seeing the strength out of the bonds, if basically the bonds can get some sort of a pullback, and that pullback shows itself in the stock market, this basically because we're very overextended to the upside, right? And then also if we get some sort of love out of the dollar, we're seeing all of these wicks to the downside. The dollar hasn't made a completely closed new low. So this can lead to some sort of a bounce, especially with the MACD moving up as well. So if we do get some sort of a bounce here in the dollar, then we can potentially, then obviously exactly what's going to happen is we're going to fall in the stock market. So it's worth it. It's worth taking some sort of a swing put. Yeah, there's really not much else to talk about in terms of the overall market. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Today's stream was much longer than normal. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.